Hey guys, I am Ajinkya Dikshit and this is my channel Ajink's Artist. Today we are going to Bigwan and its surrounding grasslands. I'm really excited for this one because it's been a long time since I've been to Bigwan and especially for boating. So we'll get to see a lot of birds, especially migratory birds coming from outside of India. So stay tuned, let's go.
Our birding begins with the mighty steppe eagle. This is the first bird we saw as we entered the grassland. There were a lot of black-eared kites, but this one stood out very easily. The steppe eagle is an endangered species. These birds are mostly resident in Kazakhstan, Russia, Mongolia, and China. They are seen in some parts of Eastern Europe as well. They breed on flat grounds, and the incubation mostly starts in May and June. The incubation period is around 45 days, and the survival rate to adulthood is pretty good. These are winter migrants, so they travel to the Middle East, the Indian subcontinent, and some parts of Eastern and Southern Africa. They are non-breeding migrants in the Indian subcontinent. Their primary prey is ground squirrels native to their natural habitat, but they can feed on a variety of other small mammals, birds, and even insects. These birds scavenge in case of scarcity of food. This is my first time seeing these mighty birds. Steppe is the national bird of Egypt and is seen on Egypt and Kazakhstan flags. After a good long birding session with the steppe eagle, we thought of spotting some other birds. We saw the greater spotted eagle as well, but couldn't photograph. Later, we spotted this huge bird across the grassland, and we knew that we are seeing the Eastern Imperial Eagle. The Eastern Imperial Eagle is vulnerable and is red listed in the IUCN. The ones we see here are juveniles and subadults. These are non-breeding migrants as well. The imperial eagle is slightly bigger than the steppe but consumes more than twice the amount of food daily. Their diet consists of a similar prey base. These eagles breed further up in the northern hemisphere. They have an aerial courtship display as well. These eagles nest on treetops. The breeding starts from March to September and the incubation lasts around 43 days. The global population is declining rapidly due to the loss of habitat.
What a great start to the morning. That was just amazing. I've never experienced or seen eagles so close to the vehicle. It was amazing and very undisturbed and natural habitat. I'm sure you enjoyed that too. We've now stopped for breakfast and will be heading out again to look for more birds. So stay tuned.
After heading back in the grasslands, we saw a pair of spotted owlets. We didn't disturb them for long. We went back into the grasslands, close to a nesting site of the short-toed snake eagle. The male just flew in with a snake kill. It was a dream come true for us. We got the entire sequence of the eagle eating the snake and later swallowing it and heading back to the nest for the female. The short-toed snake eagle is found across Eastern Europe, the Mediterranean, Middle East and the Indian subcontinent. The ones in Europe usually migrate to Africa. The ones found in India are residents. They nest on treetops near cultivated land, small hills and semi-desert areas.
What an amazing sighting! Another great one for us today, and the first one and the most awaited for all of us. So I hope you enjoyed that. We are here for our lunch now. After we finish our lunch, we'll quickly head out to shoot some more birds. So stay tuned.
Well, back again in the grasslands, we started looking for raptors now. The smaller ones, the harriers to be more specific. And the first one we saw was the pallid harrier female. The pallid harrier is a near threatened species and it's found across Eastern Europe, Central Asia and migrates mainly to the Indian subcontinent. The female is dark and has attractive colors. The male is pale white and grey with black tips on the wings. This is a medium-sized raptor that breeds on open land. They fly low and hunt small mammals, lizards and birds. They are winter migrants. And finally, presenting the Montagu's harrier. The Montagu's harrier is a least concerned species, named after George Montagu, a British Army officer and naturalist. These raptors are found across Europe and Eastern Eurasia. The population in Europe migrates to Africa and the birds from the eastern parts migrate to the Indian subcontinent. Their diet includes rodents, birds, reptiles and insects. They nest in tall vegetation and in close quarters.
So guys, this was an exciting and amazing day. Whatever we thought of looking for, we actually found in front of us, right in front of us. So I'm sure you also enjoyed this as much as we did. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Bye bye.